Hello, comments and chat. Today we are going to see a fridge. How am I gonna say? Going to see a fridge. Joking it. Yeah, yeah. My head has just been fucking saying that and shit. A fridge? Look, bro, in front of it. That's either gay or straight. Jesus. Listen, I haven't played Soul Knight for a while, but this fridge randomly came alive after 2 rounds or so. 2 rounds saying, "Oh, a rock fell on me! I'm not alive! I trained!" Now, I just come back. See this. Are they jorking it? Are they? Or other contexts, they're rubbing their chest gaily. Sure, but in front of that guy, or not the guy, in front of that guy, in front of their soda, in front of their chips. Do their face have loot? Jesus! Look at the smile. Still so greedy. You're greedy as fuck, jerking to a TV. TV probably doesn't even have a gender. They can't even do anything. Bro. TV's probably an elder too. Jesus. Why are they jorking in front of a TV? Keep out your body, that is. Oh, Jesus.